everybody, I'm Norman with Rockledge Gardens. Today we're just going to be doing a simple video about mounting orchids onto a palm tree outside. We're going to get our orchid. You can see this one's going to be a Vanda. Not sure what color it is yet, but as you can zoom in here, you're going to see the nice new green roots. And that's going to be very crucial because those are going to help start mounting. Now, most orchids that you find are going to be epiphytes, which means that they grow in trees naturally. And you can see I've already started a couple here. They're just small enough, so I didn't really need to use any twine. They're just these are dendrobiums. They're really forgiving. It's pretty small. But generally, what we're going to be doing, since this is a bigger one, we're going to be tying it up. So we got our sphagnum moss that's been moistened a little bit. This is going to help us get some cushion, pull a little bit of moisture. What we're going to do is put it right on the back of this. We're going to find a spot. We got our organic twine. This stuff I like using because it's pretty biodegradable. So if it slowly deteriorates over time and falls off the tree, don't have to worry about it. So I'm just doing a simple tie. You do a bow tie, you can do a square knot, you do a bow line, as long as it's nice and tight. And that's effectively it. So we got a nice good contact surface right here with the nice new green roots. These are going to go down the tree, up the tree, and then later on, probably like a few months from now, once these root systems starts to get more established, I'll cut the twine. And it should just be ready to go hands-free for that point. Alright, so made a solution of fertilizer, orchid fertilizer. I have myself just a regular spray bottle, and I'm using the Jack's Classic Orchid Special 30-10-10. It's just pretty much a orchid fertilizer. Now I mixed it at half solution into a gallon, like a jug of water, than normal. Get them nice and moist. Might be able to see some of them start to turn more green, which means they're still good. Alright, so we're done here with the Vanda. Vandas are pretty forgiving. They do like a little bit of shade. They can handle a little bit of sun. But each orchid is going to require a little bit of sun or a little bit of less sun. So do your research, do your homework to see how much sunshine you're going to get on the orchid, because too much could be bad. We have good airflow in here, a lot of shade, which is going to help a lot. And that's pretty much it. All right, well, hopefully that helped. Thank you for watching, and come visit us at Rockledge Gardens.